is so pretty. I look cute, right?
I mean,
okay, this bitch. Today, I feel like you guys always see me in my car. Today is a new week. This week is Thanksgiving. So, yeah. Good morning. This morning I was supposed to head to the gym, but I never made it because Tom arrived and she decided to be forceful. So I was cramping and I had to go to the bathroom so much. But today is a very productive day. I noticed when I was just editing my other video, I noticed like when I drive, my car is really loud. So I'm not going to be driving, I don't know, either when I like start off, like it goes it goes really fast and like you can't really hear what I'm saying. So I'm gonna drive. I don't know, I feel like you guys always see me in the car though. So today going to the hair store. I'm getting my hair done. I'm getting a sew-in. Today. I'm going to supposed to go to the mall to pick up my customer shoes, and then I'm going to the chiropractor today, and then I'm going to dinner tonight. So today is a really good busy day. I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can throughout this whole week period, because this week is another full busy week. So your girl's gonna be right onto it, like she's gonna be in her bag. I am going to be dyeing my hair black. I'm gonna wash it and then I am going to get it done. I'm gonna go get it done today. Hopefully I can't get it done today, but y'all, my hair grew from such a long way. I got inches, y'all. So let me just go ahead and dye it. Stop rambling. Y'all, why do I feel like I don't know. It's either my perm is making my edges look really thin, or I feel like I'm losing my edges. That worries me. Yeah, that worries me a lot because your girl edges can't be going. But it may just be my perm, my relaxer, that's making my, hair look so sleek and just laid down. And I'm not gonna perm my hair until, because I permed my hair like last week just to see the growth, and I don't think I'm gonna perm it again for another 3 months. So yeah, I have inches. If y'all knew where I came from, literally bald headed, scallywag, to Miss 3 and 4 inches. This is about 3 inches. Y'all can't play with me at this point because I can make bangs, but y'all really can't play with me though. So your girl hair is growing back. I need to find, I need to find someone who specializes in relaxers and all that good stuff, because I need to get it treated, trimmed, and a nice little blowout. I don't know, I just need it trimmed and whatnot. Y'all, don't I look like somebody's child? And this is my girl again. She's a one-stop show. Get everything done. Okay?
Oh my goodness.
So she's almost done. She was really fast. I thought it was gonna take longer, but yeah, no. I remember the last time I got a sew-in though. So she's almost done. She just sat in the top of my head. So yeah, I was recording while doing the dye. And she says that the dye is still in my hair because she smells the chemicals. So hopefully my hair don't fall out.
You're gonna be bald head.
I'm going backwards instead of forwards.
Well.
Hopefully my hair don't fall out, y'all. Just pray for me. But it look really good.
I agree still.
Here he go.
Don't trick me. That's fine. Don't speak to me.
Don't drop the phone trying to look over here, girl.
I'm not trying to look at you. After you was so rude to me this morning.
See, as I told you.
That's crazy.
I know what's crazy.
What?
It's crazy how dirty your car was. That's what's crazy.
You know what? You gonna leave her alone.
How was it dirty?
How you gonna have some long hair, little lashes?
How dirty
no
it was?
eyeliner, no lip gloss, and dirty ass car.
How dirty my car was?
A 10.
A 10.
A fucking 10.
That's the like she had to shoot inside of mud or some shit. You lie bad.
So
it
bad.
It don't fucking matter. It's black. You supposed to keep it clean.
You talking about the exterior? I need a car wash. Okay, I needed a car wash. I know I need a car wash.
It's black people like you a motherfucker can't trust. That's the problem right there.
Yeah, make no sense how dirty that car was.
It was not that dirty.
It really wasn't because I saw it.
I did one door for you to see it. I polished it for you to see it. Hey, in the fuck?
You need to go. Your energy is too negative for me.
Very
That's what I'm
negative.
finna ask you. Did y'all got energy drinks in here?
No, we don't. No.
Y'all don't drink them?
No.
Next time, you make sure I have me two on.
I don't have. No. Next time you make sure you bring your own shit here. Don't
I
fucking
drunk
play
and
with me.
clean that fucking dirty ass car.
Don't get the fuck out, cause you're not gonna keep trying her like that.
I drunk them shit, clean that dirty ass
You
car.
so damn rude. You need to go to sleep and try again.
I really do.
I'm tired of sleeping. I ain't shit enough but a dream. Ain't
Exactly.
no money in that shit.
It be money in there, it's just not money you gonna wake up to.
I'm gonna wake up to it. As long as the fucking license is get away with, I'm gonna wake up to it.
Okay. Now please exit the premises.
Please. I'm crying.
You got problems as a
You crying?
Crying.
Let's get you some lashes, you'll be alright.
Oh my gosh.
He ain't got no respect. I told that man got problems. And he's out there every day.
Every day?
Every day. What entries are these?
She gave me 26, 24, and 22. All right, y'all, so. This is so pretty. I look cute, right?
I mean,
Okay, this bitch.
you look absolutely beautiful.
Oh, y'all heard though? That was recorded. Yes, I'm so happy.
Oh my god. Can we see when it's done?
Huh?
You don't want this pressure.
Whoa.
See?
They're finna come behind me. It's just like I said, you don't want no pressure to come behind me. You dirty feet, bitch.
I ain't worried about that because you already know you get that any given time. You better finish washing them cars and worry about yourself.
Period. Y'all, I haven't had a sewing in forever. This is wild. The hair is soft.
I put stuff on it.
Oh, okay. I was about to say, why this hair so soft like this?
It's soft, but I put in that stuff out
The
there.
extra
and make
stuff?
this extra
Yes, girl. I like somebody child.
I don't know why you keep doing that.
What, like this?
Put that don't go behind your ears.
It do. I like it behind my ears.
Move that. Thank you.
Fine. Hey, mama.
How you like that hair?
I got it from Subi, and then I dyed it black. It's cute, right?
So
Yeah.
me some hair in.
I haven't gone to sewing in forever.
Me either.
Forever.
I'm on a frontal and the 3-pad.
That's what she said. She only do like frontals and stuff.
No, I don't only do those.
But like that's what you've been. I'm sorry, majority. That's what you've been doing.
Yeah. And my hair gonna lay down like that part. Yes, your hair will. You like you got thick hair.
Y'all, I feel like a new woman. Let me tell you that, okay? That kind of, I wish I would have recorded, but I'm gonna record. I'm gonna record next time. I'm gonna ask. I just be so shy, and I need to break out of that. Cause I know if I'm going to continue trying to be great, you guys need to see everything and anything surrounded by me. I must not be fearful. What the fuck? I must not be fearful. I got a car wash and it smells so stinking good in here. It's just whatever he used, I don't like that smell. So I'm changing the smell to my black ice. But damn, I felt good. That feel really good. Like I can do a whole bunch of cartwheels right now. Like a whole bunch of cartwheels. So in next week's vlog, I'm gonna show it. I promise you. I'm gonna ask, and if they say no, then that means they say no. If they say yeah, then y'all gonna get some good footage, okay?
Do you guys have like tissue?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Was that our girl? Guess who's here, y'all?
Hi guys.
You have to introduce yourself.
I'm Ziasha. You're careful. I don't have this. Wow. Okay. What's up, y'all? Thank you.
Guess what, y'all?
We're twins.
Like literally, we're twins. Literally. So tell them about yourself and tell them who you are.
Okay. Wait, I'm looking out here right now.
Here, you look in the camera.
Okay, so I'm looking right here. Got it. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry. All right. Hi y'all. I'm Diasha. My Instagram is imdiasha.co.
I'm a tagger.
And Prime Faces. I do makeup. I just so bomb ass makeup.
She did her face.
Exactly. Don't play with me. I'm not one of them.
She's not. She's really not.
At all.
She's really not.
That's like literally the best lashes. They
She
sleeping
does.
on me.
I got more. I think I said mention it in one of my videos. I'm not sure, but her lashes are long.
Exactly.
As fuck. I may have mentioned it in one of my videos. When I went to Atlanta. I mentioned it.
When you were looking for the apartment?
The first time I went to Atlanta.
Okay, I didn't see that one.
The first time I went to Atlanta, look at her face though. It's definitely a beat. So we twins because why we twins?
Y'all, we share the same birthday.
Legit same birthday.
Literally.
January 9th.
And come to find out, we went to the same middle school. No, not middle school. Elementary school. She knows my sister. I didn't even know she knows my sister.
That's wild. That means we were supposed to be friends.
Yeah.
So yeah, we had dinner at Houston and I was late.
It's okay. She wasn't that late.
I was trying to tell him I'm working on my timing because it's bad. My timing is bad. I'm trying to be punctual.
No, because you did good though. You did. Why? Because it was a lot of traffic for one.
But I live closer.
She did good. It's okay. She's learning though.
I am.
She's learning. What, 5 minutes?
Yeah, I came at 7:06.
Cassie! Cut the cameras. Cut the cameras.
So we both got the same thing, y'all. She got some creamy. I'm gonna try that. And we finished that. That was good.